Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed tadka. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 teaspoon each of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and a pinch of asafoetida. Don't forget your aromatics. Finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Have your preferred cooking oil or ghee, approximately 2 tablespoons, ready to go. Now, let's get to the tempering. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your chosen oil or ghee in a small pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for them to splutter and pop completely. This indicates they are properly cooked. Then, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a small pinch of asafoetida, stirring for about 10 to 15 seconds until they become fragrant. Next, it's time for the aromatics. Add your finely chopped medium onion to the pan and sauté it until it turns a beautiful golden brown, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add the minced 2 cloves of garlic and the 1-inch piece of ginger, cooking for another minute until their raw aroma disappears. For an extra layer of flavor, you can also toss in 1 or 2 slit green chilies and a few fresh curry leaves. For the grand finale, turn off the heat and quickly stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. This prevents the powder from burning and becoming bitter. Immediately pour this hot, aromatic tadka over your cooked dal, curry, or vegetable dish. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Your delicious, freshly tempered dish is now ready to be served warm and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.